I was 19 when I packed my suitcase and left everything I knew behind. My home, my family, my comfort. I didn't have all the answers. Honestly, I didn't even have a clear plan, but I knew I was tired of sitting around waiting for my life to change on its own. I didn't move abroad for an adventure or a vacation. I came here to work, to grow up fast, and to build something better for myself. A new place, a new hustle, a new dream that felt scary and exciting all at once. This isn't one of those perfect travel vlogs. This is the real story of a girl who left Kenya and landed in a country where she didn't know anyone. I didn't have a laptop, I didn't have a dream, I just had my phone, a little bit of faith, and a feeling that maybe I could turn my life into something more. Life here has been completely different. I work long hours, more than a 9 to 5. Some days I'm exhausted before the sun goes down, but when everything gets quiet, I sit down and remind myself why I came here. I started thinking, what if instead of just scrolling and dreaming, I actually did something? So, I opened Canva on my tablet. I decided to try to create instead of just wishing, and I designed my very first digital product, a simple weekly planner. Maybe that does not sound like much, but for me, it was a proof that even with a full-time job, even in a new country far from home, I could build something from scratch. It's not perfect, but it's mine. It was made in the middle of tired nights after long shifts with all the determination I could gather. I wanted to share this because I know I'm not the only one. Maybe you are watching this feeling stuck or thinking you need everything figured out before you start. You don't. I didn't either. I still don't, but I started anyway. One step, one product, and one quiet night at a time. If you are someone trying to build something online, even while working full-time, I think you will feel right at home here. I'm going to be sharing everything I learned, how to start digital marketing with no experience, passive income ideas you can try with just phone, Pinterest marketing, and how I'm building a digital life after work hours. So yeah, this is me starting over. Not everything is perfect, not everything is figured out, but I'm choosing to start anyway. If you are new here, or if you have been wondering where I disappeared to, thank you for watching and for being here. My next video will be all about how I'm starting digital marketing in 2025 with nothing but my phone. So, subscribe, hit the like button, and let's grow together. Bye bye and thank you all.